Welcome to the educational video about Nova Panel series of Inohom. The Nova Panel family includes 10-inch horizontal version as well as 7-inch horizontal and vertical versions. Its flash mount feature combined with the design of glass and metal adds elegance to any environment. With different frame options and panel colors, it's designed to suit your living place the best way. The panel includes date, time, and weather displays along with a fully customizable menu. The following details are these. Going through the menu, we see the icon of floor and room, which means you can add the desired amount of floors and rooms with the desired icons. Coming to the sub-menu, as a first icon, you can see floor and room. You can add as much floor and rooms as you need and also select the desired amount of icons for each. Coming to the intercom sub-menu, due to the Orion call function, you can answer the call that comes from the outdoor unit, open the door, and also monitor the door area. Passing to the menu of alarm. You can create, activate, and deactivate any amount of alarms. Each user has a unique alarm code. Sensors can be paired with cameras to send the camera view of the relevant area along with the notification. Sensors in the alarm system can be grouped as external and internal groups. You can activate them through the mobile application or Nova Panel. Detectors like fluid and smoke sensors are always active. Desired detectors and sensors can be deactivated at any time. Inohom has one of the most advanced functions of alarm system in the industry. Coming to the lighting menu, you can view the status of all integrated lighting, turn them on or off, adjust the brightness, and control the RGB LEDs if available. Coming to the menu of lighting, you can view and control the status of shutters and curtains, opening and closing them to the desired degree. The core feature of smart home is scenarios. With scenarios, you can manage all the controls in a specific order, in a specific time, and start them automatically or manually. You can create unlimited amount of scenarios through Nova Panel series and mobile application. The scenario trigger function is based on sunrise and sunset. With scenarios, you can make the consumption of water and energy more efficient, and when any scenario is activated, you may receive the notification. You can view, activate, and deactivate any sensor that is integrated to the system, such as gas, smoke, water float, door magnet, and motion sensor. With the menu of cameras, you can view all the IP cameras defined by the system. To the menu of media, you can add a remote control of infrared controlled devices in your home and assign a control or a scenario to an unused button in your remote control. Through the air conditioning menu, you can turn off and turn on the air conditioning, fan coil, and VRF systems and adjust the fan and flap controls. In the menu of system, you can manage controls such as motorized door locks, garden pool systems, electricity, natural gas, and water valves. The Inohom smart home systems can notify you of the power outages in your home. In the heating menu, with thermostat function products, you can measure the temperature of the desired area or room and give the necessary commands to reach the desired temperature. With thermostat function Inohom products, you can control the temperature automatically with scenarios. From the menu of sockets, you can turn on and off and monitor the real-time status of sockets integrated to your system. With the menu of concierge, you can message between apartments or view and respond to messages that comes from administrator. No more excuses for not seeing the message, as the panel cannot be used until the message is viewed. The system allows inside voting and sharing the results with users. With the menu of energy, you can see the consumption of electricity, hourly, daily, and monthly, also set a limit, and more than that, receive the notification when the limit is reached. Coming to the settings menu, one of the first functions you can find here is using your personal photograph as a background, then adjusting the brightness of screen, sleep mode, and protection settings. Furthermore, you can use the cleaning mode to clean your panel easily. Coming to another unique function of Inohom, authorization allows you to create a group that will have a special access to the smart home system. You can create a group X, add the users that you want to have an access, and let them, for example, control the system from 10 a.m. till 5 p.m., control the lighting and cameras, but not being able to control the air conditioner and, for example, sockets. Thank you for watching this video.